I'm back. So I'm back from Dollar Tree, and I stopped in Dollar Tree because I was waiting on my food, and they told me it was going to be about 15-20 minutes. So I was like, let me run over here to Dollar Tree and see what they have for the fall. So I did pick up a few things. It's not a lot, but just a few just to get started. But I'm still gonna go other places. Still gonna go other places and add to what I just bought today and also what I already have. So yeah, so let's go through this stuff. And I'm so glad that I went in there. I am. I'm so glad. But so this year I am doing blue for the fall season. It's going to be blue, a little white, off-white, and silver and gold. So I'm going to do those colors. And I chose the blue because I have blue in my home and I'm going to stick to that color. All right, so I have some floral stems. These were $125, and I bought all of them that they had, which was like 11. So I did purchase 11 of them, and I bought all 11. So you can see the color, and it has a hint of looks like teal. Y'all can see that. Yeah, so these are really cute. They have the pumpkins on there. This one is missing a pumpkin, but that's fine. So I got 11. Okay, this one doesn't have any pumpkins. They fell off. I was just picking them up. I really wasn't paying attention. So some of them, they come with the pumpkins, but I'm looking at them. Some of them don't have it because they fell off, I'm sure. Yeah. So, what is this? 5, 6. Oh yeah. 7, 8, 9. Okay, I only got 9. I don't know why I kept on saying 11, but anyway. So only 3 of the stems have the pumpkins. These are supposed to have it too, but like I said, I guess they fell off, but it's no big deal. Maybe these ones. No. Because these ones have the berries on them. These ones don't. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, so I got these. And I only saw one of the pumpkin pick. They only had one. I was looking to see if I saw any more with the, the silver, the gray color. This was the only one they had, but I still got it. So yeah, so these are really, really nice. So I'm doing the blue color this year. Yep, I'm doing the blue color. And where's the other one? Because I got 2 of these. The other one must be in the bag with the other stuff. But this was $125. How cute is this? And if you want to hang it up, it does have the bracket on the back. Easy to hang if you want to hang it up. And I did buy 2 of them. So let me go through it. Yeah, here's the other one. Got 2 of those. And this was $5. It's the gray and the silver. I picked this up for $5. I did not see another one this color. It had other colors and they were really, really nice. If you saw in the beginning. They were so nice, but I was like, they're not my colors, so I had to stick with the gray and the silver. So how cute is this for $5? Okay, so we got that. Let me set my stuff over here. And I picked up some goodies. Okay, I'm like, cause where's the other one? Look, here's the other stem. Cause I'm like, I know I had got more than 9. That's the other one. And I got 2 pumpkins. These are not glass, but they're heavy. They're heavy. So these were $125. Has the gold at the top. And I already look. I have some pumpkins from last year, last fall season, and the year before that. So I got to go through that, my stuff, and pull out, different ones. Okay. I got these pumpkins. These are gold. These were also $125. And listen, if you go to Dollar Tree, see if you can find these, because they do come in a brown color and it's shiny. So if you like shiny stuff, go to Dollar Tree. You can get these for $125. And like I said, they have the brown color. I saw it there. Okay. I didn't see silver, but I did see the brown and the gold. These are the pumpkins. Okay. And I got 2 of these pumpkins, the blue. These were $125 each also. And I did not see any more in this color. This was all they had. So maybe if I go to another Dollar Tree, I will be able to find this color. Okay. But they have this in a green, a dark green, like an army green, and a mint green, like a sage color. They have it in orange, and they have it in white, like an off-white color. Okay. And I got some acorns. Okay, here's another gold pumpkin. And this one, you put your little trinkets in because it has a lid. Let me open this up. Okay, my microphone is still on because, look, this time I made sure my microphone was charged all the way up. But sometimes I'll be talking and forget to charge up my microphone, and yeah, sound will go out. Okay, here it is. So really cute pumpkin trinket box. Oh, I got this. There we go. There's the gold. That's cute too. I don't know why. I think I had something like that already. I really believe I did. And I got 3 acorns. They are silver. These come in a brown color. I want to say they had gold. I can't remember, but they do come in a like a bronze color. Okay, I got the silver, and these were $125 each. Now I don't know why I'm thinking I got more. But these are my colors for the fall, and I can't wait to put my stuff together. Like seriously, I cannot wait. So yep, so that is everything. I don't know, I just feel like I had got more stuff, but I didn't. So let's put all this stuff together so we could just see how all of it is going to look. Better yet, I'm gonna just lay it out, and we'll look at it like that. Put everything together so y'all can see how my colors are blending and things like that. And I can't wait to decorate now. I really cannot wait to decorate. All right, got my glasses and my cup here. Let me move it. So I'm gonna just put everything together so we can look at the colors and stuff. Let me move this. Okay, so we facing that way. So let's do this. We could, you know, we can look at all the colors blended together. Let's do, set it up like this. But this is what I always do, just, you know, lay out all my stuff. You know, I always do that, just lay out the stuff just to see how it's gonna, you know, how it's gonna look, stuff like that. This is just what I be doing, so I could see how all my colors look together, you know. Yeah. Then I can see how I'm a piece, you know, piece everything up. Hold on. Because I need a visual. So when I go shopping for, because I'm going to take a picture of it like this, but when I go shopping for my other fall decorations, then, you know, I can see all the colors and stuff. Yep, I just take my picture with me, and that's what I do. Take it with me. I can see all the colors. Yep. Let me see. All the colors, they look nice together. They look nice together. I know y'all probably like, Sparkle, you doing too much. I know. But I want to see. Okay. So these are my fall colors, and I hope y'all get out there to Dollar Tree. Okay. And I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.